fault that I'm in around. Ah. You wore your life jacket.
Hold down your way. Calm down. You ain't leaving tomorrow.
Call it an emergency of some kind.
I say we look at somewhere that people ain't
I
gonna
may be live next Christmas.
Well, we can go somewhere in Tennessee, but let's not go to Gatlinburg. Because then Melissa
Let's just go to damn Uniontown. How about that?
No, I don't go to Uniontown anymore. Unless I'm going. Are we stopping New York, though? So I can see the Eiffel Tower.
Daddy said he wants to go somewhere we haven't.
What? What?
Well, we can go to Gatlinburg for Christmas, then extend the trip and go to New York for New Year's. Sound like a good idea, Mom?
Yeah.
Like go to Gatlinburg, then we'll stop in New York for New Year's, because I told Mama for the past few years that I want to see the ball drop. That's a dream of mine. I want to be there for New Year's, but it ain't safe to be there for New Year's. But for it with you, I think Mom and you kind of be scared.
Never scared.
I said the one we went to last time when we got shot up. We can get that on camera.
We can get there.
Just wait till you're sleeping tonight. I got you. Water. Get that kid. That's cute. I do. I want that set.
Might be 12:30 before I go to sleep tonight.
That set, huh?
Might be 12:30 before I go to sleep tonight.
Well, Amber, I didn't go to sleep until 4 a.m. I got you.
Oh my gosh, it rains.
Go buy me one.
I want to find me a woman one day.
Well, honey, you could have bought me one. I'll take a ring.
Oh golly, that's a hint right there. Gosh. All that. Oh, that's
30% off, too.
a hint.
What? Did you need to get you a woman?
Yeah,
Hammer, there's a hint that Valentine's Day's coming.
yeah. Right, a middle moon.
Well, I'm sorry. Sometimes you complain that I walk too fast. I ain't complaining I'm walking. I don't like walking fast. I actually hate it. I hated it even before you had surgery. It ain't really me.
Pick up the pace, son.
He said that back there, that was not the time. We need the woman. I said, honey, that's a sign that on Valentine's Day coming.
Oh my gosh, that's another hint.
You gonna buy me one again? Look, I'm getting a ring. Now he's gonna buy me something from Pandora.
Pay attention to
Hey, well, let's take the time of day you had me choking. Most times when he ran from that can, taking time to run back to stay on the escalator, trying not to drop his pen. Oh my goodness, Mom. There's me, you, and Daddy are shut up. BFF, I know they're both crazy. There's Daddy. She thinks I'm crazy. I know she's crazy. You're both crazy. That's yours. On the way. I think she's crazy. BFF, I know she's crazy.
All right, walk.
3 minutes.
It was pretty nice to do that. so you can video.
The Easter bunny.
Easter here. Right after you.
Oh gosh, a jewel box. Oh, that was a jewel box. Oh, these are expensive. Twist. Oh, no. He posing this for a video. He was posing for a video. Oh, gosh. That was a K Jewels.
Yeah, you can't go in there and video.
There's a bunch of rings. Look at him. My God, that's way down there.
Cameron, you booed me out the way. I'm gonna throw you over the balcony.
It's gonna be a hot topic too.
What, me throwing you over the balcony?
Yeah, it's gonna be a hot topic.
Hey, you kind of did something with that.
It's gonna be very tourist talk also.
Cameron, you're just gonna be a pancake down there. Everybody gonna be stepping over you. Oh, you heard what I told him? They're all gonna step over him. They're not even gonna try to help you up. We ain't either. We're just gonna leave you there.
We give these places a metaphors and everything else.
Cameron, you know what a metaphor is?
Yeah.
What's a metaphor?
It's like something, like a word, like it's gonna happen.
Hammer, a metaphor. Wait. We gotta have an English lesson.
That's what cats do when they get excited. They get the zoomies.
Hammer, our cats don't even get the zoomies. They're too big. Your cats must do that.
I ain't got no cats.
Well, your dogs.
I just got a dog.
I know this is driving you insane. What we're doing? You don't know how to cruise a day in your life. I'm saying,
That's another one.
Those are, I like those.
Pandora. Final one of them. Final written one.
Yeah, find it.
Pandora. Oh, there's another one. Oh,
Yeah,
final.
yeah.
You
You get your-
They got final one.
You gotta find a woman.
Yeah.
Every time I get in the camera,
That's intriguing here.
Sure is.
Sure is intriguing.
Sure is.
You gotta have to go find something. You just don't know. I was asking, did you go to it? I can get you, we can follow them. Never get one side of you, and I get the other side. We'll put it in the wall. You could have went down there. Some in my stomach's burning.
Indigestion.
Oh, so
Those are so cute. That's one thing you ain't never laughed at.
why do you think I'm finna have to raise my standard? Why are my standards so low if I've always had that? You ain't noticed this?
As far as me and go.
Yeah, the standards are so low.
I don't know.
for
You
me to
like
always
to take care of them. Mr. Jeans.
Start elevating.
Yeah.
We elevate.
Yeah. Yes, we are.
We're his parents. Hammer, move to the left, so his parents could see where he's at.
Oh my God, that's okay, George. Hey, George.
I'm not talking about you. I wasn't talking about you. I moved out of the way and I told him, I said, I'm sorry. I said, I knew you were trying to get to him. Did you hear what I said? I told him, I said, I'm sorry. I know you're trying to get to him. I said, I know how it is. Whenever they run, they run.